Hi, my name is Sarah Vance with Rebalance Life. Our blender gets a workout pretty much every day. I'm going to show you one of our favorite superfood smoothies. So one of my kids' favorite smoothies that I've made up is the Orange Dream Smoothie. It's kind of like an Orange Julius you make at home, but with some superfoods hidden in there. So what we've got today is we've got some coconut water. I've got about a half a cup coconut water. And to that coconut water, I've added chia seed, and I'm just letting it soak for a little while. What chia seed does is it soaks up about 10 times its own weight in water, so it becomes hydrophilic. And what that does inside your body is it slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, so it's great for people that are trying to lower their blood sugar. It also fills you up, so it gives you lasting energy throughout your whole day, builds your endurance. And it has omega-3s in it, so it's a great brain food. It's heart healthy. It's really one of my favorite superfoods. So we've got the coconut water with a little bit of the chia seed. And I've got just a little bit of peach and mango juice there. And then what I'm going to do is add a whole orange. This is a small cutie orange. You could add sort of just a small, any kind of orange you have. Just put the whole thing in there. If you've got a nice, powerful blender like this, it'll take care of it. Then you're going to put about a half a cup of whatever orange colored fruit you have. I've got some mangoes and some peaches in there. And then, since I'm making an orange smoothie, I always like to add in some baby carrots. If you don't have a real powerful blender, you can also make these into a puree ahead of time, so it'll soften them up a little bit more, and I can show you how to do that later. So to this, we're also going to add a little bit of yogurt, and I like to add unsweetened yogurt because then I can sweeten it with the natural sweetener that I like. But if you're doing dairy-free, you could do anything like a non-dairy yogurt. You could add coconut kefir, whatever you have on hand. And optionally, you could have a little bit of vanilla protein powder. And those come in all different kinds. You could do whey, you could do pea protein. And then this is a real key thing to add just a pinch of the pink Himalayan salt. Not too much because you don't want it to taste salty. You just want to bring out those flavors. And that allows you to not have to use as much sweetener. And then another thing that adds sweetness and good potassium and also makes it thicker are these bananas. And you do about 1/2 to 1/3 of a banana. I mean 2/3 of a banana. And again, I never throw out any bananas. When they start to get just those little brown specks, I put them right into the freezer because frozen bananas always make your smoothies thicker. So let's go ahead and get that going. Now before I do anything, I'm just going to give it a little taste. Oh, that is so good. It really tastes like a dream. You could add a little bit of your whatever sweetener you like, stevia or raw agave nectar. But I think it's just perfect just the way it is. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. It really does. That's good.